1739 Running Creek, 3-car garage. The open house is going on right now, so we have the realtors inside. Satellite dish. As you can see, we're on a corner lot here. So we have a nice large yard with landscaping. We might want to cut those trees back from the roof. So this is 1,559 square feet. We love screen doors. We'd repaint this when we change out the landlord locks. We have upgraded shutters, which are the plantation shutters. Sort of a minty green wall and what looks like laminate flooring, but it may be the vinyl planks. I can't tell with these, but they look to be good quality and they're in good condition. We have a ceiling fan with a light kit, and then in the wet area, which is the kitchen, and the high traffic area of the hallway, we have tile. But we'll go ahead and start off to the right here, where the paint changes to sort of a brown color. Plantation shutters continue into this room. And we have this is a nice tile. It has a nice feel to it. Custom cabinet. Oh, okay, here. Yeah. Laminate, yeah. We missed painting behind the toilet. Really not a big deal. Just pointing it out. Beautiful upgraded cabinets with beautiful cabinet pulls, modern fixtures. Really nice. Very nice. Nice hall cabinets as well. Carpet looks nice. Great fan. Okay, so I'm going to go with 100% repaint. It is a nice bonus to have custom cabinets installed in the extra bedroom. That is definitely not a requirement, so it's a really nice upgrade. So we have a 3-prong outlet. I've been told by repairmen that these are great washer and dryers. Of course, take that with a grain of salt. We'd want to remove the stairs or at least seal that off so we're conforming with fire code, and rekey this door, screen door, front door, and this garage door. I love these cabinets. They just look so clean, upscale. Shower rod stays, it doesn't move. Upgraded light fixture, raised panel doors. Cabinets look good. Double oven. Recessed lighting. Nice vaulted high ceilings. We have a fireplace over here with probably the original tile. And a really cool fan. And we have it. This is the side of the house that's going to get morning, afternoon, and evening sun. So it's really great that we have the patio cover. We already have the rockscaping done in mature trees. And that's about it.